When you purchase the Aleko Double Roof Aluminum Gazebo with wooden finish and curtains, the kit will include 4 supporting legs, 8 frame supports, 4 main supporting roof arms, 4 secondary support roof arms, 1 central roof section, 8 top rails, fabric walls and roof, 1 solar panel, 1 interior light, and all the brackets and hardware needed for assembly. Attach 1 foot to all the supporting legs of the gazebo and secure both sides of each foot with the provided screws. Connect the male side of the top rails to the female side and secure them together with 6 screws. Attach a corner bracket to one side of each of the fully assembled top rails. Turn the top rail over and attach the center brackets to each of the fully assembled top rails, ensuring they are connected with the provided screws on both sides of the bracket. Lay the top rails in a square on the ground and connect one another to the attached corner bracket. Then turn the square frame upside down. Fasten each supporting leg into one corner of the top rail frame. And with some help, carefully turn the frame over so it's standing upright. Attach 2 frame supports on each corner of the interior of the frame at the top rail and the supporting leg. Lay out the central roof section of the main roof arms and connect the wiring for each arm into the central roof section. The wiring connection is only designed to be connected one way and will not connect any other way. Insert the 4 main roof arms into the central roof section so that the frame for the upper roof is on the top of the framework and secure with the provided hardware. Insert the 4 secondary support roof arms into the central roof section, ensuring the connection bracket on the opposite side is facing downward, and then secure. Feed the wiring through the upper roof fabric and connect the solar panel wiring to the solar panel. Pull the fabric of the upper roof over the corners of the upper roof supports, placing the arm ends into the fabric pocket. Attach the solar panel to the central roof section by placing it over the fabric into the center hole and twisting to lock into place. Connect the wiring to the interior light and insert all the wiring into the central roof section. And secure the light to the interior of the central roof section by twisting it into place. Place the main roof fabric over the entire roof frame and secure it by inserting the corners of the frame into the fabric pockets. With some help, place the roof over the top of the frame and secure the 4 corners of the roof to the frame with the provided nuts and bolts. Secure the secondary support roof arms to the top rails using the provided hardware. Pull overlapping fabric over the secondary support roof arm and insert the arm end into the fabric pocket. Lay out the fabric walls at each corner and attach to the frame using the Velcro straps. Cover all screw heads, bolts, and nuts with the provided grommets, and enjoy!